What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to another video. And today,
I'm cleaning my rock.
that was from last vlog. And today we are down at Hallet.
Just dropped the camera, it's okay. So, at least it's not broken. And hello guys, welcome to his channel. Today we are going to IKEA after this, because we're at the beach at the moment. Yeah. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and like. Okay? To get more notifications from me, and you'll find lots of funny things.
Oh, you've made a compressor.
Anyway.
So I just had an accident with the Sony camera. The strap wasn't on properly. Thankfully nothing was damaged, just a bit of sand which I will fix up with the air compressor later.
I did the intro.
As I said, we're down here at Hallet Cove Beach today. This is an impromptu vlog. I just woke up this morning, I thought, oh yeah, I'll just do one considering we're going out. So we're heading to IKEA after this.
That's what I said in the intro, Dad.
And yeah, just a few other things. Might go through my bag a bit later in this vlog as well, just showing what we're using in 2022. So stay tuned.
There's something in the air. There's something in the air.
So we've made it down to IKEA, down near the airport. Looks like most of Adelaide's here today. Just coming in here to get a couple of little things, and then we will head back home. I'm going to have to get some sort of a lens cleaner after the accident that happened down at Hallet Cove as well. So disappointed that I can't use an air compressor to clean the lens. So yeah, anyway, going into IKEA, so stay tuned. So we finished off in IKEA, just getting a few things. Jazzy got herself a new little table. Now she's having herself some ice cream, and Kaz is having some chips over there. Found out that JB Hi-Fi have the lens cleaning kit, so we're going to head down that way, and then we're going to head home. So hope you're enjoying. So we're back home now. Been to IKEA as you would have seen, and picked up a couple of these floating shelves which I'm going to put up behind me this afternoon. I'm running out of space for all my lenses and stuff, so I wanted to sort of have them on display a bit better, put my drones up and things like that. I'll go through my bag, my camera bag that I'm using this year thus far, and thankfully the camera that I'm on at the moment is working after its drop at the start of the vlog. Went and got a cleaning kit from JB Hi-Fi, which was pretty cheap, and they've already fixed up the lens, so really pleased with that. So yeah, I'll show you what's through my bag. So that's what's in my bag for 2022. As you've seen, the rig I've got here is pretty comprehensive. If you didn't see the text on the screen, so basically in the bag what I take out, I usually use the GoPro most of the time. I was a bit worried about the ghosting that was on the lens, and I know it's a common issue with the GoPro Hero 9, but I've given it a real clean up and just made sure all the settings are correct, watching a few YouTube videos. It seems to be all okay now. Now shooting in 5K for a lot of the stuff that I do, opposed to 4K, which I was doing last year. Using this bad boy a lot more now, with the Sigma 16mm lens, which is an E-mount for the Sony ZVe10, which I know a lot of vloggers are using. Just got the influencer light set, which is really cool, and also the one behind me, which I showed a montage for. As far as editing, still using Final Cut Pro. Got a lot of motion FX add-ons to it now, which is really cool. And all my thumbnails and photography that I do, I now use Lightroom to do all the edits, which I don't think I was doing previously, last time that we did this sort of video. So, and I do that on the iPad with the Apple Pencil. So, and that's an iPad Air. So, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This was a very ad hoc vlog today, but thoroughly enjoying our long weekend out and about. It's been a very busy weekend with vlogging, and there's plenty more coming up on this channel, so hit that subscribe button down below and give us a thumbs up, and look forward to bringing you heaps more content on just that. Take care. Bye bye.